Yo, what's up? This is Targus's 4-port USB hub. At the store, I got this from Target, and I saw two of Targus's USB port hubs. This one was a little more expensive at $24, while the other one was $13. The reason I chose to go with the more expensive model was because of the transfer speed. The model I have has a transfer speed of 5 gigabits per second, while the cheaper one is using USB 2.0 and has a transfer speed of 480 gigabits per second. I like the design of this hub. It's small and minimalistic. It has an all black colorway, and this is made out of plastic but still manages to feel like a quality product. This hub has 4 USB 3.0 ports and a 5-inch cable to connect to your PC or Mac. I wish the cable was a little longer, but it still gets the job done. I tested the ports out using some of my gaming peripherals, and they all work seamlessly. I'm going to transfer 6.85 gigabytes worth of file to this 1 terabyte hard drive using the Targus. Been 2 minutes so far, and right now it's at 73%. All these footages are like 4K videos and 1440p videos. It's from this camera that the video is going to come up shortly, so stay tuned for that too. Alright, the files have been transferred, and it took exactly 3 minutes 6 seconds. This was 6.8 gigabytes. Took 3 minutes, not bad. Inside of this hard drive, I'm going to transfer it to my other laptop. Alright, the video has finished transferring to my other laptop. This took 4 minutes exactly.